If I had to start from zero online in 2026, no audience, no experience, very little money, this is exactly what I would do. And the best part? These methods are beginner-friendly and can work for retirees or anyone looking for extra income from home. We're living in one of the biggest shifts in history. AI tools, YouTube, and affiliate marketing are allowing ordinary people to earn from home. But here's the biggest mistake. People try everything at once. Drop shipping today, crypto tomorrow, Amazon affiliate next week. Instead, focus on one strategy and stay consistent. Here's my recommended beginner model. Step 1. Pick a topic people search for. Making money online, AI tools, health tips, budget travel, product reviews. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to help people solve problems. Step 2. Create simple content. Start with YouTube videos and simple blog posts using free tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and InVideo AI. Step 3. Monetize the traffic through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or digital products. Even small channels make money if the audience is targeted. AI tools like ChatGPT, CapCut, and Canva are helping ordinary people compete with large companies. Let's be honest, most people quit too early. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you consistently upload videos and articles for 3 to 6 months, your content starts compounding. Here's your simple action plan. Week 1. Create your channel and publish your first video. Week 2. Publish your second video and write 1 article. Week 3. Learn SEO basics. Week 4. Add affiliate links and improve your thumbnails. The opportunity online is still massive, but the people who succeed are the ones who actually start. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. If this helped you, subscribe and leave a comment telling me what online business you want to start in 2026.